Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your ear pads for your Sony WH1000XM4. First, retrieve the blue prying tool from your Dekoni earpads box. The stock earpad is very secure in the headphone, so you'll need to use the prying tool to pry them out of the ear cups. Find the left Dekoni earpad. The left earpad can be distinguished by the infrared port, which can be seen inside the ear cup. Push the left earpad into position and make sure you pop in all of the clips. Repeat once more for the right ear cup. Be moved by your Dekoni audio earpads for your Sony XM4s.